OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. In this example, I'd like to demonstrate how you can use a construction plane to split a solid model. Now, I've made my solid model too thick. This solid model really only needs to be 250 thousandths thick. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first open up our construction plane tools, and let's use this option called Push or Pull Plane. That's going to allow me to modify the location of the current construction plane. I want to drag that construction plane down minus 250 thousandths. I'll click OK to that. I'll click Close. And now I can head over to the Command Manager, and within Model Operations, there's an option called Split with Plane. Once I activate this, I just need to take my cursor, left-click the solid model that I'd like to modify, and now you'll notice that OneCNC has split the solid model using the construction plane at the proper depth of minus 250 thousandths. OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.